welcome to another Little Geeks video. Today's video comes to us from our friends at Spin Master. And they make a whole bunch of our favorite stuff. They make the big giant remote control BB-8, Hatchimals, and Paw Patrol. In this box came to us for free from Spin Master. Thank you so much, Spin Master. Let's see what's inside the box. Magic. Whoa! Rusty Rivets! Hey, it's a little dinosaur. I always wanted these two in my life. This is the Rusty Rivets Lab. It's for ages 3 and up, and it's available now for $39.99.
This is the Rusty Rivets Build Me Botosaur for ages 3 and up. It's available now for $34.99.
And these are the Rusty Rivets Botosaur racers. And they're also available for $6.99.
And also, they also have wheels on the bottom of it.
Thank you so much, Spin Master, for sending this to us for free. Can't wait to get these open and check them out. We're going to use a little magic, and we're going to look at them one at a time. Open. The Rusty Rivets Botosaur racer. It has awesome details. It looks like it just from the show. Like it has the car eyes, which it does in the show. It looks like a dinosaur robot, which it does in the show, which makes it really cool, and it would be a great stocking stuffer for kids. We said it's rated 3 and up, and it's available now for $6.99. Let's check out what's next. This is the Rusty Rivets Build Me Botosaur. Now, as you can see, it has lights and sounds, and his eyes could even light up different colors. Now, he's for ages 3 and up, and he's available now today for $34.99. What's cool about Build Me Botosaur is that he comes in a package like this, but you can take off his arms and legs and make him a car. I'll show you a little magic. Check it out, everybody. Now we got the Botosaur. What we did was move some parts around and put some axles and some wheels in. It still does lights and sound. And look, this could open.
Each time that he's doing so you know how he feels, he turns his eyes the color that
that could be cool.
How he feels.
Like we said, he's available now for $34.99 and for ages 3 and up. Check out the last piece of this awesome Rusty Rivets bundle.
This is the Rusty Rivets Rivet Lab.
This is available today for $39.99. Now there is some assembly required. Most of the assembly is supposed to be done and done and done again, so it looks different each time. There are some stickers that you might need to ask your parents for help with, but they really do fit on really well. Let's get it open. So first, you have to unlock it, then you open the top.
And if it gets stuck,
and pull this open.
And if it gets stuck,
and then
when you can't get it open,
pull this one
just
out.
pull these red stuff out.
And that happens. And we have to pull this one over here. The Rivet Land comes with a whole bunch of cool pieces they have to put together. So like this one has to go over here. And then these ones have to go, and you could put these anywhere, like you could put it right here.
And then you put this one
up
right here, and I don't put this in this so you can flick it.
And the playset also comes with Rusty Rivets and the robot. And the robot is cool because you can take him apart and build him however you want.
And I want to do magic. Okay, back.
Now the playset has 2 cool elevators,
which is that one and this one. This one is to get over on the roof or over here in the lab.
This is really fun. This could be a good thing to get somebody for Christmas if they really love rusty rivets.
And what I like about this one is that the blue one when you first press it.
We said this where you just 3 and up and available now for $39.99. I'm gonna wrap it up.
Thank you, Gator.
Spin Master for sending us all these incredible rusty rivet stuff. These are available now, and they make a great Christmas present for any of your little geeks. What's neat is they have an element of building in creativity. Remember, everybody, Rusty Rivets is on Junior now. Thanks for everybody for watching another Little Geeks video. Bye!
On Little Geeks for more toys and more fun. Please like our video and subscribe for our YouTube channel.